Politicians and the leaders who have now been making a beeline there and visiting the affected areas and the victims of the landslide as well. Let's talk about Congress MP and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi facing public ire and outrage during his visit to the landslide affected areas. Remember, he used to represent the very seat of Wayanad in Parliament. Now, Sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also there present along with him as they face the villagers' protest from when they were visiting the Mundakai and Punchiri Mattam areas of Kerala, these places that were affected by the landslide there and has claimed the lives of over 300 people. The angry locals have been questioning Rahul Gandhi. Why and what capacity is he visiting the area? The locals also questioned Rahul Gandhi if he was in the flood affected state just to get some dirt on his feet. As far as the incident that has given BJP fresh ammo to corner the Congress and alleging that Rahul Gandhi apparently has blood on his hands.
മോനെ എന്താ പറയാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ
That kind of political slugfest that has been taking place after Rahul Gandhi's midnight prediction of possible ED raids for his Chakravyuh speech in Parliament. The leader of the opposition in his post added that he was waiting with open arms with chai biscuits after ED insiders apparently told him that a raid was being planned because certain 2-in-1 didn't like his Chakravyuh speech that he made in Parliament. Rahul Gandhi, who's in the midst of death, devastation and rescue operations in Wayanad, made this political allegation, adding that he will be waiting for the officials with chai and biscuits. However, the Congress MP's post on social media has galvanized the India bloc and its netas who are backing Rahul Gandhi and slamming the Modi Sarkar once again over as what they called as the deliberate misuse of central agencies against opposition leaders.
It's a very well-known fact that the Enforcement Directorate is the favorite hatchet agency of this government. It's always unleashed on political opponents. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself has faced the harassment of the ED before. So he's perfectly right in saying that he anticipates further harassment because the government finds it very inconvenient with his presence in Parliament as the leader of the opposition. If the BJP thinks that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is erroneous in his statement, then the ED must behave itself in the future and not harass political opponents.
राहुल गांधी जी ने जो भी सरकार के खिलाफ आज जोर शोर से अपना आवाज बुलंद कर रहे हैं लोकतंत्र बचाने के लिए, उनके सबके खिलाफ एक साजिश रची जा रही है। कुछ भी हो सकता है, हमले भी हो सकते हैं हमारे सबके ऊपर, राहुल जी के ऊपर। मैं इतना कह सकता हूं,
जब भी कोई सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाता है, निश्चित रूप से उसके पीछे ईडी डाल दी जाती है, उसके पीछे सीबीआई डाल दी जाती है, और यही हेमंत सोरेन जी के साथ हुआ, यही केजरीवाल जी के साथ हुआ, यही मनीष सिसोदिया के साथ हुआ, सत्येंद्र जैन के साथ हुआ, मेरे साथ हुआ। जो इस सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाएगा उसको पकड़ के जेल में डाल देंगे। तो ईडी और सीबीआई का खुलेआम दुरुपयोग हो रहा है।
Meanwhile, when it comes to the NDA leaders and the BJP who branded this model of shoot and scoot, and where is the sabut, is asking the BJP. NDA leaders have also alleged that Rahul Gandhi was imagining issues and he was dreaming about it. As far as the BJP also accusing Rahul Gandhi from deflecting from serious issues and questions around Wayanad and repeated warnings when they were given by multiple committees that have been ignored. The BJP today is asking, is Rahul Gandhi dreaming?
Rahul Gandhi, in his classic Congress style, wants to distract the topic away from that tragedy, that reasons for the tragedy, to some make-believe imaginary issue that is floating around in his head. This is yet again one more attempt by Rahul Gandhi to distract the people of Wayanad, Kerala and India.
Political mileage लेने के लिए छोड़ा गया एक सगुफा है। वैसे राहुल गांधी जी स्वयं जानते होंगे कि उनके पास डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट एसेट्स हैं कि नहीं है, लिहाजा उनके बयान को वो ही बेहतर तरीके से परिभाषित करते हैं।
वायनाड के मुद्दे को भटकाना है, तो जब वायनाड से उनको ध्यान भटकाना है तो एक बड़ा निशाने से ऊपर मारो, नहीं तो बार खाली जाएगा। इसीलिए उनकी बात को सीरियस लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मुझे लगता है कि ये कांग्रेस की जो ये गोल पोस्ट चेंज करने की आदत है, और राहुल गांधी जो दूसरा केजरीवाल का जो दूसरा रूप है कि जिसका कोई अता पता नहीं, कुछ भी बोल दे, राहुल गांधी उसी के एक उदाहरण बनते जा रहे हैं।
Well, let's get in a word from Akansha joining us right now. Akansha, good morning. How do we understand as far as the political blame game is concerned? Because it was late in the night around 1:52 a.m. when Rahul Gandhi made that post on social media account.
At 1:52 a.m. in the morning, at night, he made this statement that 2 in 1 did not like my Chakravyuh speech, and ED insiders are telling him that a raid is in fact being planned against him. But he said that he will be waiting for the enforcement directorate with open arms, in fact with chai and biscuits that will be on him. But this has definitely galvanized the India bloc. They've been attacking time and again the central government for misuse of central agencies. Now with this comment of Rahul Gandhi, BJP is now saying that he's only distracting and deflecting from the Wayanad tragedy, because remember the statement has been made while he is in Wayanad meeting the victims and also visiting the relief and rescue center. So BJP is saying that since their government, in fact the India bloc, does not have any answers on the claim that has been made by BJP that early warnings were given to them as far as the landslides are concerned, but no heed was paid to that. So they're just lying and deflecting from the Wayanad tragedy. This is what the BJP has to say. But as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he is in fact saying that ED action is expected against him. Remember, almost 2 years back, he was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate for over 50 hours. And now, after this claim that he has made, BJP is now saying that he is in fact taking cue from the book of Aam Aadmi Party, because Aam Aadmi Party, various leaders, time and again, they used to tweet, in fact, that they will be arrested by the ED, or ED action is expected against them. So this is what the BJP is saying, that they're taking cue from the Aam Aadmi Party, deflecting and lying just because they don't want to answer the tough question that is being asked by the government as far as the Wayanad tragedy is concerned.
All right. Thank you for that update, Akansha. As far as we've seen